Rainfall 70 to 100 centimeters. Soil. Coffee required the loamy, Loamy. LOA. Anik Kundra. Yes, come in. Anik Kundra. Loamy. And alluvial soils. Alluvial soils. Alluvial soils. Hot and moist, humid. Hot and humid. Sorry, हॉट वार्म ही कहा जाता है, वार्म. हाँ जी, एक्सेसिव मोर देन 150 से ज्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, नीलगिरी हिल्स ऑफ Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Nilgiri hills of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Last beverage crop, tea. TEAT. Tea require tea is tropical as well as subtropical beverage crop. Tea is tropical as well as subtropical beverage crop. Tropical and subtropical beverage crop. Beverage is a category of a crops. Coffee bhi beverage crop hai, but it's a tropical crop. Coffee is only a tropical crop which is producing in south of a tropic of Cancer. But tea can possible to produce in above of tropic of Cancer in Assam and West Bengal, and it is also possible to produce in tropical conditions of Tamil Nadu. Tea is tropical as well as subtropical crop, beverage crop. Next, temperature 28 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. 28 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. Rainfall. Coffee, नीलगिरी हिल्स, तमिलनाडु, केरल और कर्नाटक की नीलगिरी हिल्स में वहां प्रोडक्शन होती है. 28 to 30 degrees Celsius tea desired 28 to 30 degrees Celsius temperature. Rainfall 100 to 150 centimeters. Rainfall 100. Anik Kundra 100 100 ऐसे 100 to 150 centimeters. Soil, alluvial soils. Alluvial loamy soils. Next, climatic conditions. It desired frost-free weather conditions. 210 days नहीं कहा इसमें, वो कॉटन में रिक्वायर्ड है. टी रिक्वायर फ्रॉस्ट फ्री वेदर कंडीशंस. फ्रॉस्ट फ्री वेदर कंडीशंस. फ्रॉस्ट फ्री वेदर कंडीशंस. अगर फ्रॉस्ट होती है उससे टी बुश की ग्रोथ रुक जाती है. फ्री होना चाहिए जिन एरिया से प्रोडक्शन होती है. सो द distribution. So best quality of a tea has producing in a Darjeeling in West Bengal. Darjeeling in West Bengal, comma, Assam, Meghalaya, then Tamil Nadu, Central Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Central Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Central Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Assam, Meghalaya, Darjeeling of West Bengal. हाँ जी, कौन सी? Tea. Picking up the tender leaves of a tea bush. It's a manual work. मशीन से नहीं होता, मैनुअली होता है. कर्नाटक, तमिलनाडु, असम, मेघालय, वेस्ट बंगाल. ठीक है. Now the next one, agriculture development. Agriculture, it is a growing sector in our country because of a green revolution. Green revolution introduced in India in the 1960s. Green revolution introduced in India in the 1960s, in which the HYV seeds and modern inputs of farming improved the agriculture production of wheat and rice, especially only in a Punjab, Haryana, and Western Uttar Pradesh. Western Uttar Pradesh in 1966. 1966, 60s. 1960s. Green revolution introduced in India in 1960s with modern inputs of farming. So what kind of the modern inputs introduced? First, HYV seeds. Second, fertilizers. Third, insecticides. Characteristics of green revolution. Green revolution. First, use of HYV seeds, high yielding varieties of seeds, high yielding varieties of seeds, high yielding varieties of seeds, high yielding YIELDING. Anikundra. Anikundra. High yielding varieties of seeds. Second, use of fertilizers, insecticides, weedicides, pesticides, etc. Use of fertilizer, pesticides, etc. Third, assured irrigation facility. Assured irrigation facility. Anikundra, assured. ASSURE. Assured irrigation facilities. Fourth, assured irrigation facilities. Fourth, use of machinery in agriculture like tractors, combines, threshers, harvesters, tillers, etc. etc. Use of machines in agriculture. Use of machines in agriculture. How does a green revolution? Question: how does, why we call it green revolution, contributes in growth of Indian economy? Growth of Indian economy or merits of green revolution? Why we call agriculture contributes in growth of India, growth of our country. First, it makes India self-reliant in food grains. Self-reliant. Anikundra. Self-reliant in food grains. What are the merits of a green revolution? Agriculture. Second, it improved economic standards of farmers. Economic standards. Farmers becomes as the richer. Poor farmers becomes as the prosperous. Poor farmers becomes prosper. Economic standard of farmers. Agriculture improves the economic standard of farmers. Third, it increases. Green revolution increase exports as compared to imports. Green revolution increased exports as compared to imports. Fourth one, it helps Growth of agro-based industries. Green Revolution helped growth of agro-based industries. Next, it provide job opportunities. Green Revolution provide more job opportunities to the unemployed. Agro-based industries. Agro industries which obtain their raw material from agriculture. Clear? Like example. Very good, Rhythmgar. Very good. Sugar industry, jute industry, cotton textile are the agro-based industry because they obtain the raw material from the agriculture. Cotton textiles. Next. वो डायरेक्टली नहीं यूज करता, ठीक है, चलें नेक्स्ट. सॉरी, हाँ, पॉजिटिव बैलेंस ऑफ ट्रेड, इंपोर्ट्स आर डिक्रीजिंग कंपैरेटिवली एक्सपोर्ट्स, वही लिखा हुआ है. नेक्स्ट, डीमेरिट्स. हाँ जी, नहीं, आप फर्टिलाइजर को एग्रीकल्चर में यूज कर रहे हो, ना कि आप फर्टिलाइजर को एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस करके दूसरी इंडस्ट्री में यूज कर रहे हो, ठीक है ना, ये नहीं आएगा. नेक्स्ट, demerits of green revolution. Demerits, Anik Kundra. एस भी रह गया, एक नहीं है. Economic disparities, differences. Economic disparities, because green revolution beneficial for the Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, neither for the rest of the India. उससे क्या हुआ? Other states they lagging behind. Economic disparities prevails in country. Disparities, DIS, Anik Kundra. Economic disparities. Second, first is economic, it increases the economic disparities. Second, decreasing underground water level, because HYV seeds needs plenty of water. HYV seeds require the more water consumption. अब जहां HYV seeds use हो रहे हैं वहां water level down चला गया, because in Punjab canal irrigation is not as a main source of irrigation, mostly as a water fetch from the underground surfaces through tube wells. Decreasing underground water level. At the time of independence, water was available at a depth of 30 feet. जो आज 80 फीट से डीपर जा चुका है. किस कारण? एग्रीकल्चर के कारण. नेक्स्ट, रॉन्ग क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न in Punjab and Haryana, for example, in green revolution, only as a wheat and rice, their production has improved, not the other crops. हाँ जी, very good, Gundas. Soils sustain on fertilizers. If we start to decrease the number of fertilizers, soils are not capable for a production. Sustain on fertilizers only. Clear, Jagjot Singh? Okay. Done. Differences. Punjab becomes a more richer comparatively than Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal. Comparatively. Next topic. Comparison between the farms of India and the US. Farms of India and US. Comparison. Average size difference. Antar spasht. Okay, first, average size of a farms in India. Average size USA. India, first, average size of the farms in India as varying from 0.2 to 1.5 hectares. Average size of agricultural fields vary from 0.2 Anikundra, like this. 1.5 hectares, but in US 1.5 vary from 0.2 to 1.5. Next, US 200 hectare. This is a unit. 200 to 300 hectares. Average size of agriculture fields in USA as 200 to 300. This is a unit of a measuring land. Canal includes as a 20 marlas. अब ये वेरी करती हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आप रेजिडेंशियल एरिया के लिए लैंड परचेज कर रहे हो, उसका जो हेक्टेयर्स का एरिया होता है वो 240 होता है. जैसे आप सिटी में ले रहे हो, सॉरी 240 स्क्वायर फीट, 240 स्क्वायर फीट. अगर आप एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड की बात कर रहे हो, उसका 272 स्क्वायर फीट का एरिया होता है. स्क्वायर फीट मल्टीप्लाई लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ. क्लियर? 20 marlas equivalent to the 1 canal. Clear? 8 canals equivalent to the 1 acre. एकड़, किला जिसे कहते हैं. साइलेंस, मार्क नहीं करेगा. सेकंड सॉरी 300 hectares. Second, traditional methods of India, traditional methods of farming are used. Traditional methods mostly कर रहे हैं, mostly traditional methods. रिदम आप अपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट में चले जाओ, अमेरिका सॉरी JNK उत्तराखंड में चले जाओ, साउथ में चले जाओ. ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स ऑफ फार्मिंग, traditional methods of farming are still practiced. Okay, next, US modern techniques of farming. Modern and scientific techniques of farming used in a US farms. Techniques of farming. TECHNI. Anikundra. Techniques of farming used in agriculture. Third, no, technique. Yojana means planning. Technique, tradition, method. योजना जो आप सोच रहे हैं फ्यूचर के लिए, प्लानिंग. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, चलो नेक्स्ट. थर्ड, wooden plowshare. Traditional tools like wooden plowshare. Anikundra, spellings. Plowshare, wooden plowshare. hoe, HOE. क्या कह रहे हो? Wooden plowshare, hoe, animals, wooden plowshare, hoe, HOE, animals are used in 60% of total agricultural fields. बोल को एनिमल में नहीं कैटेगराइज करते हैं. हाँ, modern machinery used in US. Modern machinery used in agriculture. Modern machinery used in agriculture. Next. Hanji, tools, modern tools used for agriculture. Next. In India, agriculture used for a subsistence. Udhar commercial. Aeroplanes used for a fertilizers, insecticides. Land area ज़्यादा है. In India, subsistence agriculture. In US as a commercial agriculture. Commercial agriculture for profits. Hanji. Deficiency of a processing and storage. Deficiency of processing and storage of food grains in India. Deficiency of processing and storage of food grains in India. Modern in US, modern storage centers are used to procure food grains for future. Modern processing center or storage center used to procure Anik, procure spellings. Procure. Food grains for future. Next, traditional seeds are used for cultivation in India. Traditional seeds are used, but in USA, genetically modified या फिर HYV capitals में लिख दो. Traditional seeds used in India, genetically, GENETICALLY. Genetically modified seeds. Modified seeds are used in US, like HYV, high yielding varieties of seeds. Clear? Next, one more. Irrigation. Most of the agriculture dependent on rain in India. Agriculture dependent on rain. Agriculture dependent on rain. But in US, assured irrigation facilities are provided for agriculture. Assured irrigation facilities provided for farms in US. Agriculture dependent on rain. In US, assured irrigation facilities. Next, in India, बस एक ही और है. In India, three crops possible to produce throughout the year in 3 agriculture seasons: Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid. 3 agriculture crops we can produce in India. Farmers can produce 3 agricultural crops in 3 agriculture seasons. 3 crops in 3 agricultural seasons. 3 agriculture crops in 3 agriculture seasons. 3 agricultural seasons. But in US, single crop can possible to produce during summers. Single crop can produce during summers. Kharif, Rabi, Zaid. ZAID. आपको नहीं करवाए, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, पता है. Kharif, Rabi, Zaid. First stop. Capital लिख सकते हो एक point. Capital. In India, most number of the farmers, they acquired or complete their money need of money from money lenders and landlords. Clear? But in US, banks are provided the credit facility. In United States of America, banks are provide credit facility. They provide the credit facility. हो गए 4-5? One more. आप ना लिखो. 60% job opportunities. 60% मत लिखो. 60% job opportunities provided by agriculture in India. Agriculture in India. But in US, 17% jobs. 17. क्योंकि वहां industries are the source of jobs. 17. ये 10th था. In India, farmers complete their necessity of money through the money lenders and landlords. उसका एक reason है because banks require the documentation, needs time, but the farmers required the time in a urgency. So for which they prefer to lending a money from the money lenders, neither to the banks. Banks needs the securities. Contract होता, but they don't need as a securities. ठीक है ना? रूल्स फॉलो किए जाते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, सिक्योरिटी गारंटी देनी पड़ेगी. प्रगति, शी इज बिलोंग फ्रॉम द वेस्ट बंगाल, शी इज नाउ हैज लिविंग इन हरियाणा, राजस्थान, समवेयर आउटस्कर्ट्स. उस सिचुएशन से लोन नहीं दिया जाएगा. शी इज नॉट एज अ सेटलर. रिटर्न कहां से लेना है? पैसा कहां से लेना है वापस? वे पैसे लेके भाग गए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर. क्या 92? कैसी होती है? कितनी होती है? आई डोंट. मैंने जॉब्स की बात की, जॉब्स, उसका कंट्रीब्यूशन का. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डू इट योरसेल्फ. व्हाट इज एग्रीकल्चर? टिलिंग ऑफ अ लैंड फॉर द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ अ क्रॉप्स इज एग्रीकल्चर. 2, do it yourself. Name the factors influencing the agriculture. Topography, types of soil, climate, rainfall, temperature. बस headings जो वो टेबल पे लिखी थी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन छोड़ के. What is the shifting cultivation? Plantation, ये भी किया हुआ है. And name the fiber crops, jute and cotton. Name the climatic conditions, टेबल में से. Differentiates primary and tertiary. Primary, tertiary. पहले मीनिंग लिखोगे. पहले मीनिंग, those activities which are directly linked with the land and water resources are primary. Those activities which provide services to the economy are the tertiary sector. Primary sector is the basic sector. Tertiary sector is the service sector. Third, primary sector example: agriculture, fishing, mining, forestry. In a tertiary sector, basic services, infrastructure. आप सीधा लिखो services: health, education, transport, communication, trade, banking, insurance, architecture. These are the services. ATM booths, call centers, priest. These are giving the service. They neither produce the goods. पंडित जी या जो ग्रंथी जी हैं वो प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो सर्विस दे रहे हैं आपको. Subsistence and intensive सब किया हुआ है, छोड़ा कोई नहीं. Give reasons. In India, agriculture is a primary activity. 60% job opportunities directly, indirectly provided by the Gundas, provided by the primary. Different crops. Gundas will answer. Different crops are grown in different regions. Why? Very good. Different climatic conditions and soils. Climate के अंदर rainfall. ओनली डिफरेंशिएट एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, रीजंस बुक पे रहने दो। टुडे इज अ मंडे, वेडनेसडे, वेडनेसडे, ये वाला आज मिल जाएगी, ये आज थी।